Ashley is the white one with the gray spots.
Hey, get down.
They just met probably 10 seconds ago. He's brand new. He came into the shelter yesterday. The black one, I don't know his name yet. He is a neutered male. The white one with the dark gray spots is Ashley, and she is a spayed female. So she came into the yard with a lot of energy, and he immediately told her to slow her roll. And she listened. And then when she came on strong again, he asked her to slow her roll again, and she listened. So hopefully they can be friends. I did not realize I left treats on the table.
Ashley.
Good job, Ashley. Good job. Shake it off. There you go. It's a nice meeting.
That's not nice.
She says, I just want to play with him. He doesn't want to play with me. Ashley has been here for quite a while, and for some reason she's been overlooked.
Don't guard. Go on, go. Ashley, go.
All right, we're at Sand Springs Animal Welfare, and the meeting is continuing. They're just continuing to say hello, figure out who each other is.
Why can't they do it away from me? Hey. No, I have to.
Once I find out what the new guy's name is, I will note that in the title. Ashley is the white one with the dark gray. She is a spayed female, and the black one is a neutered male.
You okay?